This is Medicool's latest product. It's the Pro Power 35K portable filing system. This filing system can be used for both manicures and for pedicures. The kit comprises of the power station, the handpiece, the handpiece cradle. Also comes with a carrying case, which I can show you in a while, and also a belt clip that fits onto the base of the unit. The handpiece is a small, lightweight, very thin handpiece. Balances perfectly in the hand. Handpiece cradle is a great place for storage. On the front of the machine, the handpiece fits right into the socket here. A little different to the previous machines we've had. Just turn until it fits and it clips and it's in there solid. This would be your on-off switch. Switch it on and on comes the digital display. Right here we've got a forward and reverse switch and off position in the middle. So if you like working at the same 21,000 RPM, let's say, you can leave the machine set at 21,000 RPM, and when you come back to it, you can switch it on and it'll go right back to that speed. As you can hear, this is a very, very quiet machine. Very quiet. So digital display goes up to 35,000 RPM. So very powerful, lots of torque, lots of power. Your speed dial, again, you can turn it right way down low. When you use this with the belt clip, the actual holder, you can turn and face it straight forward. So when it's sitting in the belt clip, it's sitting straight up. The belt clip fits onto the back here and it just clips over your belt, or you can pop this into your jacket. For the station, that's the best way to have it. Again, I mentioned that it comes with a carrying case. The case comes with a belt. Belt fits in through here. Your handpiece fits into this portion. The handpiece holder would not be on there. The case fits right in just like that. Very easy, and this is very, very lightweight. There's 20 hours of battery charge, working charge from a full charge here. So it's about 3 hours to fully charge it. If for some reason you forget to charge it and you run out of charge in the middle of a service, you can plug this right into the wall and start using it. The Pro Power 30K Portable comes with our regular 1-year guarantee, and a 2nd-year guarantee is also available for an additional purchase, just like the rest of our other professional products.